Yes, welcome on board with Mugalu the car guy. Today we have a serious problem with BMW, which followed by removing the dashboard, the entire dashboard of this vehicle. It is very interesting, which you're going to see, but the customer complaint for this BMW was coolant was reducing, and on the dashboard the customer could see the dashboard warning light of the cooling system. And also water was being topped up frequently at the expansion tank of the radiator. So let's go in front and we'll take a look. So BMW very car, and as we enter right about here, this is the entire thing which we have really managed to pull out. This is where the dashboard has to fit. And why did we remove this dashboard? Of course, this part is the heater core, whereby if you look right about here, let me switch to ignition on. Let me start the engine actually. So the engine is now running, and now this is the air conditioning actuator panel right about here, and we need heat. So this is the high temperature of this vehicle. Now when you switch on to high temperatures and air condition, let me do it at once. So we expect the blower motor, which is right about here, be blowing hot air from this heater core. So this heater